Okay, today I'm going to show you how to script Hello World in Java. It's very simple for a beginner. It's one of the first scripts I learned. First, I'm using Notepad++. You can use anything you want. You can even use regular Notepad if you want to. I like using this because it has colors and it's easier to read the script. First off, I'm going to make sure I have my language on Java. Notepad++ is free, by the way. That's another reason I use it. First off, I like to make comment at the beginning of all my scripts, just so people know what my script does and explain a little bit about it. To make a multi-line comment, you hit / asterisk. Enter. I'm gonna type hello world.java. I'm gonna enter and then type what the program does. This program prints out hello. I'm not very good at typing today. World to the console. Go to end my comment by hitting asterisk / the opposite of what we did at the beginning. I'm going to enter twice. I like to do that just to separate my script away from the other stuff to make it easier to read. Okay, we're going to start off by typing public class hello world, then a left curly bracket or space left curly bracket. I like to hit enter twice, simply because it's easier to read. And then we're going to type public static void main left parenthesis capital S string brackets, left bracket, right bracket, make it look like a box, space args, short for args, I'm pretty sure. I'm kind of rusty, haven't coded in a very long time. And then I'm going to end the parenthesis, hit space, and another left curly bracket. Enter, enter, that's what I like to do. And then I like to hit tab. This makes it a little bit easier to read and spaces it out a little bit so people can read it easier. We're going to type System, capital S, dot out, dot print, LN, short for print line, parenthesis, left parenthesis, and then quotation marks, and then what you would like your script to say. For this one, I'm just going to type hello world. You can make it say whatever you want. Space world. End your parenthesis, and then end your quotation. Or parenthesis, not parenthesis. I messed up. Sorry about that. I mixed my parentheses and quotations up. But anyway, I think you can understand that. And then you're going to want to put a semicolon to end that line. You're going to want to hit enter, enter, backspace. This is what I like to do. You don't have to do this. And then a right curly bracket, enter, backspace, backspace, and another right curly bracket. And your script is done. You made hello world. I'm going to show you how to compile it now and save it. Here you're going to want to hit file, then save as. I'm going to save this to my desktop. Make sure you name it the same as you put on the class. Mine is hello world. Make sure it's exact. And you want to hit hello world same as you put in the script, even caps and everything. .java. I like to put mine on the desktop because it's easiest. Save that. Okay, it's on my desktop right here. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to compile it now. You're going to pull up command prompt. If you don't know how to do that, you go to run and then CMD and it will pull up command prompt. I'm going to type CD for change directory and type desktop. Okay, now it's directed to my desktop. You have to have JDK for this. If you don't have it, there might be another tutorial somewhere else, or I might put one on later if I have comments saying they don't know what that is or anything like that. Anyway, what you're going to want to type is JVAC or Java C space and then the program name as you named it, and mine is HelloWorld. Cap locks and everything, and then put .java, same as you named it when you hit save as. Go want to hit enter, and as you see, it typed nothing under it, so there's no errors. And it's going to create a .class file, as you see, if it does it correctly. You can go back to your command prompt to run the class file. You type in Java space and then hello world. You do not have to put .java on this one or .class or anything. Just type Java space hello world and it should run it. As you see, it ran and it typed hello world. This is how you do it, and hopefully you can you did it correctly, and if you don't, post a comment and I might be able to help you. Thanks for your time.